Welcome back to the channel. We're stepping into 2025 with fresh energy and exciting opportunities on the horizon. This year promises to be one of innovation, transformation, and limitless potential. Whether you're here for inspiration, knowledge, or just to explore new ideas, you're in the right place. As we embark on this journey, think of 2025 as a golden horizon, full of possibilities waiting to be explored. The world is evolving rapidly, with technology advancing, industries shifting, and new trends emerging. It's a time to embrace change, adapt, and make the most of what's ahead. One of the key themes this year is growth, both personal and professional. Whether you're looking to improve your skills, start a new venture, or simply find ways to make life more fulfilling, there are countless opportunities. The digital landscape continues to expand, offering more ways to connect, create, and innovate. It's up to us to take advantage of these changes and use them to our benefit. Technology is playing a massive role in shaping the future. Artificial intelligence, automation, and new digital tools are making things faster and more efficient. Businesses are transforming, industries are evolving, and even daily life is being enhanced by these advancements. Those who embrace technology and learn to use it wisely will find themselves ahead of the curve. But beyond technology, 2025 is also about mindset. A positive, growth-oriented mindset can make all the difference. Challenges will come, but how we respond to them will determine our success. Staying open to learning, adapting to new situations, and continuously pushing ourselves will help us achieve more than we ever thought possible. Another important aspect of 2025 is balance. While ambition and hard work are essential, it's just as important to take care of ourselves. Mental and physical well-being should be a priority. Finding time to rest, recharge, and focus on personal happiness will ensure that we can sustain success in the long run. Community and collaboration will also play a huge role this year. Surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals, sharing knowledge, and supporting one another will create an environment where everyone can thrive. Whether it's through networking, partnerships, or simply meaningful conversations, the power of community cannot be underestimated. As we look ahead, let's make 2025 a year of action. Instead of waiting for the right moment, let's create it. Set goals, take small steps every day, and stay committed to growth. The golden horizon of 2025 is not just about what's possible, it's about what we choose to make happen. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your support, engagement, and enthusiasm make this channel what it is. Stay tuned for more exciting content, insights, and inspiration. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.